In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see deleted WhatsApp messages. Let's start with a really important point. There is no official built-in button in WhatsApp that simply shows you deleted messages. When someone deletes a message for everyone, WhatsApp replaces it with the "This message was deleted" notice. However, there are a few common methods people use to try to view what was originally sent. And I'm going to walk you through the main approach, along with what you should know before you try it. Most methods rely on notification history. On many Android phones, when a WhatsApp message arrives, the content is shown in your notification bar. Some third-party apps, or even your phone's built-in notification history feature, can log those notifications. That means, if a message is later deleted in the chat, you might still be able to see what it said in your notification log. To use this approach, first check whether your phone has a native notification history option. Go to your system settings and look for the notifications section. On some devices, there's an option called Notification History, or something very similar. If it's available, turn it on. From this point forward, your phone may keep a log of incoming notifications, including WhatsApp messages, as they arrive. After enabling it, wait for new WhatsApp messages to come in. If someone sends you something and then deletes it, open your notification history and look for the latest WhatsApp entries. In many cases, you'll still see the original message content recorded there, as long as the notification was received before the message was deleted, and as long as your device hadn't already cleared that notification. If your phone doesn't offer built-in notification history, some people turn to third-party notification logging apps from the App Store. These can sometimes capture WhatsApp message notifications in a similar way. If you decide to explore that route, be very careful. Read reviews, check permissions, and avoid apps that ask for unnecessary access to your personal data. Remember that you'll be trusting these apps with information that may be sensitive or private. There are a few limitations you should keep in mind. This method usually only works for messages that trigger a notification. So if a chat is muted, or if notifications are turned off, that content may never be logged. It also won't recover messages that were deleted before you set up notification history. Media files like photos and videos are generally not fully captured in notifications either. Finally, always respect other people's privacy and use these techniques responsibly. The goal is to understand how notification logging works, not to spy on anyone.